Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dekho Sikho. Today I am going to show you a mechanical project which is prepared by our diploma final year students. The name of this project is abrasive jet machining. The function of this project is to cut any integrated shape on brittle material like glass. You can cut any type of difficult shapes and you can create holes on a brittle material like glass using compressed air and abrasive particle. We have used sand in place of abrasive particle. So it is a very simple project. You can also prepare in your college lab. So I am going to show you the various components used in this project. You can also make this project at your college lab. So first component is a compressor, 2 HP compressor whose maximum capacity is 8 bar, and this compressor is connected through a tube with a control valve. The function of this control valve is to close and stop, is to open and close the air passing inside the nozzle. Then here we have used a pressure gauge to measure the pressure inside the pipe, and here is a pressure relief valve. Also it is a filter and it cleans the air and remove darts from it. Then this pipe is connected with a mixing chamber. The function of this mixing chamber is to mix the abrasive particle with the high pressure air. Here is a hole by which you can enter the abrasive particle into the mixing chamber, and the discharge of this mixing chamber is connected with a nozzle. The function of this nozzle is to increase the velocity of the discharge air so that it can impinge on the workpiece placed on this job, on this vise. Here is a vise to hold the job which is to be cut. Now I am going to show you the cutting process of this abrasive jet machining. Now I am going to fix a job on this workpiece which is to be cut by using this abrasive jet machining. Now I am going to close this chamber in order to prevent the sand from direct contact with the eye of the mechanic which is cutting the tool. Now I will open this bolt in order to enter the abrasive particle inside this chamber. Here we have used sand as abrasive particle, so we will enter the sand inside this tube. Now I will open this valve which will allow the high pressure air to enter into the mixing chamber, and at the time and I have to rotate this arrangement in order to mix the sand with the air. See the process? The air at high pressure is striking on the workpiece. Now I will show you the workpiece. Watch. Now see, there is a hole in this workpiece. There is a hole in this workpiece which is made by our abrasive jet machining. This is all about our abrasive jet machining project, and you can also make this project at your college lab. The estimated cost of this project is around 30,000. Thank you for watching our project.